Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can put up a HubSpot signature on your Gmail account. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're using Gmail with HubSpot, which is one of the two options besides Outlook, you should add a HubSpot signature to your Gmail. It can be whatever you want. If you have something fancy set up already, to actually add it as your signature so that you don't have to write it manually in your emails every time, then it's a very easy thing to do, and I do recommend you do it, and I'm going to show you how exactly now. Now, what you're going to want to do is go over to your Gmail account. Just go to your inbox or just enter your account however you want, then go into the settings tab, then click on see all settings, and then you'll get to this general settings tab. Now, you want to be on general. This is where your signatures will be, and if I scroll down, you'll see the signature tab somewhere along the lines of here. As you can see, currently I have no signatures, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. Once you click create new, you just need to name it, so let's name it HubSpot. And now it has been added to the list. Now you just need to add whatever text you want here to the signature tab. Make sure the HubSpot one is selected if you have any others. And then once you have it, once it's saved, just go ahead and go into signature defaults, and for new email use and for reply and forward use, select the HubSpot one we've created. And you can click this to insert the signature before the quoted text and replies, and remove the double dash line. If you want, it's completely optional, but it is what it is. Once you've done that, you just want to click Save Changes, and once that's done, you will now have your new signature. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.